Skip the lines with undercover tourists, crowd calendars, touring plans, and mobile apps.
I'll get my backwards again.
It works out that way, huh?
Stop paying full price for your family vacation and visit Undercover Tours today.